Alright, Rob here from myppctraining.com, and in today's video we're going to walk through what expected click-through rate is. As you can see, we're in the Help Center here, so we're going to go through Google's definition, then I'm going to show you in a live campaign where to find it, and talk a little bit about it. Okay, so expected click-through rate is something that can be found under your quality score and keyword status. So I'm just going to kind of read through what Google's telling you here. The status predicts whether your keyword is likely to lead to a click on your ads. AdWords takes into account how well your keyword has performed in the past based on your ad's position. The expected click-through rate that AdWords provides for a keyword in your account is an estimate based on the assumption that there will be search term will match the keyword exactly at auction time. So basically what it's saying, it doesn't really know, honestly. It doesn't. It's expected click-through rate. It's their best guess, pretty much. So if we go in, that's pretty much it. I mean, really, I know it's crazy, but they don't know. They have no idea. So let's go into AdWords. We're into our white label campaign, and you're going to see here under status, you hover over the keyword. It's going to show you expected click-through rate average. Then it gives you ad relevance above average, landing page experience above average, whatever. You can hit learn more too, and this will take you to the help search up here about quality scores, stuff like that. And I mean, that's really all it means. It takes historical data, or if it's a brand new campaign, it's just a guess. I mean, I wouldn't put too much weight on it unless it's I mean, the keyword's performing really poorly. But a keyword like here's one. It's one click, 2 impressions, 1 lead. That's friggin' awesome. And no, it's above average, above average. I mean, that should be excellent. It shouldn't be above average. It's killing it. So take it with a grain of salt. Again, that's all it really is. If you want to see it, you can look at your status column and just go by quality score. Obviously, the lower is going to have lower average. So it's basically Google's best guess of what your click-through rate is going to be, and that's it. I mean, I wouldn't put too much weight on it. There's a lot more important things that you should be focusing on than this. So, and if you have any questions, drop them below this video. Make sure you subscribe to our channel. Give me a thumbs up. Check out the description links for some more information in our Facebook group. And if you have more, if you're still curious about expected click-through rate, just go to Google's Help Center and you can type it in, and you'll read articles on it and stuff like that. But I'd focus your time more on more important things like optimization strategy, stuff like that. So, just my opinion. All right, guys, I'll see you in the next video.